breath game. Ayan. Ang sabi, longest bad breath game. The longest bad breath. All you have to say is, Happy birthday, Savvy. Happy birthday, Savvy.
Yes.
Okay.
Ay, kailangan may timer.
Timer.
Timer, be.
I think I have the timer. To Ruth, you understand Tagalog?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow! Taga saan si Ruth?
San Mateo.
San Mateo. Napakaganda naman ni Ruth. Ayan. May anak, may asawa?
Wala po.
Buti nga sa'yo, Charay. Pareho pala tayo. Ayan. Ano ba what qualities are you looking for in a guy?
Secret.
Hindi sa'yo na. kaya hindi ka nakakahanap, sinasarili mo lang. Share mo naman, baka naman kasi. Okay, Ruth, you know what to do? Ayan, yung mga bata po, ayan, pakiano muna. Okay, happy birthday, Savvy, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Savvy!
Wow! 12:15. Ilista mo, be. Be, El Daddy. Lista mo. Huwag kakain ng kain.
Sa ano na lang? Sa either phone. To what family or your...
Yes, with my kabet and my...
Grabe.
Kabet, grabe sa
Iba
kabet.
rin, oo. But anyways, taga saan si Jeline?
Vegas.
Vegas! Oh, you just came for the party?
Yeah!
Grabe naman. And how are you related to, is it to Francie or to Carlo?
Hindi siya sigurado.
Close friends.
Close friends to both. Okay. Alright, Jeline, make sure you represent Vegas, okay?
Yay!
Hinga muna. Inhale, exhale. Ay, hindi pwede. Okay, ready? Jeline
For
from
the
Vegas. Happy birthday, Savvy. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Savvy.
Wow, ang daming hangin.
995. Di ba? Napaka-ano. Ang lakas. Parang Don. Ayan. Pero mas gusto ko yung gold nyo dyan. Diba? Ayan. Dapat pinapakita nyo yan. Huwag nyo tinatago yan kasi yan ang magiging solusyon sa mga problema ng Pilipinas. Ayan. Nasa sayo pa yung Italiano gold. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, happy birthday, Savvy. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Savvy!
Wow!
Sarah, ang munting prinsesa. Sarah, you know what to do? Happy birthday, Savvy, and then you hold your breath for as long as you can. Okay, happy birthday, Savvy. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Savvy!
Woo!
Alright. Dalisay. Napakaganda ng pangalan niyan, Dalisay, no? Oo,
Pure.
parang kakambal yung mga mahaling muyak. Ito, di ba? Taga saan po si Tita?
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh? Wow, ang lalayo nyo. Oo, ang lamig niyo sa Pittsburgh, di ba? Ay, mainit pa. Anyways, Tita, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, happy birthday, Savvy. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Savvy!
What's your name, please? Mayumi. Oh, parang Dalisay, Mayumi. Such beautiful Filipino names, right?
Yes.
Dalisay, Mayumi, Kaladkarin. Are you ready, Mayumi? All right. Happy birthday, Savvy. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Savvy!
Wow. Wow. There's a winner. Oh!